Hello friends and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn how to practice any English sentence using 5 simple steps. I'm going to go through the 5 steps again in today's lecture because we have already learned it in our previous lecture itself, but because these steps are really very important, I'm going to recall them so that we can have good practice, and those who have missed these 5 steps they can have a look at it. So please note down, keep writing them down in your notebook. And before we move ahead to today's practice session, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that I get supported and you also don't miss any update. Those who are new to our channel, I would also suggest them to start learning from the very first lecture so that they can understand all the things very well in an easy manner. So let's guys move ahead quickly on the next screen for the practice sentences. And today I'm going to give you 6 such sentences which can have application of those 5 steps that we have written in our notebooks just now. So the first sentence: I am practicing English in my free time. This is if I talk about the first step, I would identify the tense first of all. So this tense is continuous present tense because the formula of continuous present tense is subject plus MISR plus verb ing plus object, and here I is subject and practicing is verb ing, that is the main verb, principal verb. And because in continuous present we use the ing form of the verb, I identified or classified it as verb ing. Then who is the doer of an activity? Who is practicing? I. So it is our subject, right? And what is object? What to practice? If we ask questions with what and whom, then we get object. So what to practice, then English is the answer, and that is our object. The rest words are time. In my free time, that indicates the time itself. It is not subject object verb. So we have identified all these words that we can see on the screen at the moment, and am is the to be's form of present. So that is the first sentence. Second sentence: I have learned to speak good English now. And learned is the verb 3. And if I talk about the tense, the first step, this sentence represents perfect present tense, and perfect present tense formula is subject plus have has plus verb 3 plus object, and there are 2 verbs in this sentence. So we have identified verb 3 and the simple form of the verb followed by the simple form of the verb, and we use 2 according the rule of 2. So those who have missed our earlier lectures, they can refer to those lectures, and it is always suggested that we start learning from the very first lecture so we don't miss any important update. Now the doer of these 2 activities is I, so therefore it is a subject, and good English is object, now indicates time. Third sentence: we wanted to learn good spoken English skills, right? So wanted to learn, this is verb 2 and verb simple form. So there are 2 verbs and this is a simple past tense, therefore we have used verb 2, that is the past form of the verb, and we have another verb and we will keep it as simple because it is the second verb, and all the rules are applied to the first verb only, the first activity itself. So therefore, and who is the doer of these 2 activities is we, and it is therefore a subject for us, and good spoken English is again an object. So let's move on to the next screen, guys, for more practice sentences. We all try to understand it on many channels. It represents object, that is spoken English or English skills. Here we have also 2 verbs, try and understand, so verb 2 and verb simple. We is we all is subject for us, it is object, it represents spoken English skills on many channels, that is our medium, right? Now, so sometimes it happens that we begin a sentence with time. So now we have subscribed the Leo English Hub. Again, this is a perfect present tense. Subscribed is verb 3. There is no another verb in this sentence. Doer of an activity is we, and therefore it is subject. And the Leo English Hub is importantly object over here, because what is subscribed, then the Leo English Hub is the answer, and therefore it is not a medium or a place, it is an object in this case. So it is really very important to understand all these things. Now is a time. So we have classified everything. Have is to be formed for perfect present tense. The last sentence, we are getting to learn new things in all lectures. So getting to learn, again two verbs, but which tense? Continuous present tense, and verb ing form and verb simple, that is two verbs. We is the doer of an activity and new things is object. In all lectures, medium, right? So I hope guys these sentences will show you how to generate ideas, how to classify subject, object, verb, and how it becomes easy for us to generate more and more sentences using our own thoughts and ideas. So please don't forget to like our video and share, comment, subscribe our channel, and share it to your friends and family so that they can understand all the important English skills in a step-by-step manner. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. We will see you with more important information in our coming lectures. Thank you very much guys.